Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things investing, and today we're diving into something super straightforward. How to check your stocks on Robinhood. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned trader wanting a quick refresh, this tutorial will get you up to speed in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the Robinhood app downloaded on your smartphone or access it through their website. It's free and user-friendly, which is perfect for beginners. Once it's open, log in with your email and password, or use fingerprint ID if you've set that up for faster access. Now, on the main dashboard, you'll see an overview of your portfolio. This is where Robinhood shows your current holdings, including the stocks you own, their quantities, and their current market values. It's a great spot to get a quick snapshot of how your investments are performing. To check a specific stock, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the stock's ticker symbol, like APL for Apple, or the company name, and Robinhood will pull up relevant results. Select the one you're interested in, and you'll be taken to a detailed page. On this page, you'll find all the key info. The current stock price, how much it's changed today, historical price charts, and even volume data. You can swipe through tabs to see more, like recent news articles or analyst ratings, which can help you make informed decisions. One cool feature is setting up price alerts. Just tap the bell icon, and you can get notifications when a stock hits a certain price. Super handy for staying on top of the market without constantly checking. Remember, while Robinhood makes checking stocks easy, investing always involves risks. Do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.